Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins starting my live simulation one more time with the much more improved strategy. We're gonna see how it goes. Y'all know me. I start from a very small size account. Yeah, as y'all watch, I've seen the last trade I won. It got to $1,300, so I was happy with the results of that. Moving the account from $777 to where I moved it at. So I'm gonna try this again. I'm gonna do from a smaller size account to a bigger size account. Currently in USD right now, I got in at 1.1286. Right now it's at 1282.4. Looking to catch some downside movement. Should be moving pretty good pretty soon. Go to nadex and see what's going on. We got me losing right now, but I'm not worried about it. I have 39 minutes left, so I'm not tripping. Start this count at 133 and there's some change. So we're gonna see how this thing goes. Now I'm gonna do some precise trades to see how this thing works. So live simulation is back on. I'm gonna pause this video, then I'll get back with you guys in a moment. What's going on, y'all? Kind of getting everything up and running. Fell asleep on you guys. Didn't have to go to work, so it was a real rough deal. You know what I mean? Gotta open nadex back up. So we finna see now. Excuse me. With the snorkel. Oh crap. Market closed. Well, nadex is closed. It's 5:30. I forgot. Won't be able to see nothing. I won't know, guys. I don't know. So we might have to wait till the 6 o'clock to come back to the video. Right now it's 5:28. Let's look at the chart. I got in the trade here on this candle. So this was supposed to be at 4 o'clock. Next candle closed at 1982. I think my trade was at 1986. 12 was, this was 19, but what it was, 1286. So that might be the price. All right, I'm back. Think the trade won. The value went up because I started at 133. So the trade won. So live simulation is in full effect.